what is the difference between a luxury brand and a premium brand? The answer lies in control. While premium brands focus on quality, luxury brands obsess over control. Control of every touch point, every material, every customer interaction. This control manifests in what we call vertical integration. Think of the traditional business as a relay race. You have suppliers passing materials to the manufacturers, who pass to distributors, who pass to retailers, who finally reach the customers. Each handoff introduces risk, quality variations, timing delays, and cost fluctuations. Luxury brands look at this relay race and say, we are not running a relay. We are running a solo marathon and we are going to control every mile. Vertical integration means owning multiple stages of your own supply chain. And there are two directions, the upstream integration and the downstream integration. When we are talking about the upstream integration, it is moving backwards towards the raw materials. When LVMH acquires leather tanneries or when Prada invests in Italian textile suppliers. When we are talking about the downstream integration, moving forward towards the customers. When brands open their own boutiques instead of selling through departmental stores. But the crucial question here is that why do luxury brands integrate? Why do they undertake vertical integration, whether it is upstream or whether it is downstream? There are three critical reasons as to why the luxury brands undertake this expensive as well as complex strategy. First, the quality obsession. When Hermes controls their leather suppliers, they ensure that every hire meets their exact specifications. There are no surprises, no quality variations that could tarnish their reputation. Second, the pricing power. Integration eliminates the middleman markup while adding exclusive value. Instead of paying a supplier profit margin, you can actually control costs while justifying higher prices through vertically integrated excellence. And finally, speed and flexibility. Direct control means faster responses to trends and immediate quality adjustments. When Zegna owns their own fabric mills, it can create exclusive materials that competitors can't access for years. But here is what makes this truly powerful and luxury. Integration becomes part of the brand story itself. Let's try and understand the integration as a brand story. Let's take the Hermes example, which is a masterclass in vertical integration. Hermes doesn't just make bags, they tell the story of owning the entire journey. They control the retail network completely, no departmental store partnerships, no licensing deals. They manufacture primarily in France, preserving the Made in France narrative. They even own their own leather suppliers. This is not just about operational efficiency, it's brand identity. When you buy Hermes, you're buying into the story of uncompromising control and French craftsmanship. Compare this to the brands that outsource everything. They might have great designs, but they can't tell the story of controlling quality from raw material to the final product.